In this video, I'll guide you through how to send Typeform responses to your email. Whether you're managing surveys or collecting feedback, getting those responses directly to your inbox can streamline your workflow significantly. So let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, head over to typeform.com. This is your starting point. Once you've logged in, you'll need to select the form for which you want to receive responses via email. Simply browse through your list of forms and click on the one that you're working with. This will open up the details of that particular form. Next, locate the results section. This is where all the responses to your form are stored. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page that provides an overview of all the responses you've received so far. From there, you'll want to click on Responses. This is where you'll get a detailed view of each individual response to your form. Now, identify the specific response or responses you want to send to your email. Once you've selected these, look for the Export Responses option. By clicking this, you'll initiate the process of downloading your responses onto your computer. A pop-up will appear and you'll need to click Export to confirm that you want to download these files. With your responses successfully downloaded, it's time to switch over to Gmail. Open a new tab in your browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, click on the Compose button. This will open up a new email draft. In your email draft, you'll need to add a recipient. This could be your own email address if you're sending the responses to yourself, or it could be someone else's if you're sharing the responses with a colleague or client. Don't forget to include a subject line that clearly indicates what the email contains. Something like Typeform responses would be both simple and effective. Now it's time to attach the file containing your Typeform responses. Look for the paperclip icon, which is the universal symbol for attaching files, and click on it. This will open up your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to the location where you saved your downloaded responses. Select the file you want to attach. Finally, once your file is attached, you're ready to send your email. Simply click on the Send button, and your Typeform responses will be on their way to your designated recipient. And that's it. This simple guide has shown you how to send Typeform responses to your email efficiently. By following these steps, you can ensure that you or your team can access important form data quickly and easily. This method is particularly useful for keeping track of responses in real time or sharing data with others who might not have direct access to your Typeform account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.